I'm the Walking Traveler, and I'm super excited that you're here with me today. And I have my Fast 5 traveling tips, helping to make your travel experience fun, fulfilling, and not frightening. So today we are going to talk about how to have a balanced vacation or how to have a balanced travel experience when you were traveling with someone else. For example, for me, whenever I traveled with my family, and I find myself even doing it now when I'm traveling, we always used to plan out all of the days. We would get up super early, we would plan out everything, we would have a mission that we wanted to go to these 3, 4, 5 things, and our goal was to accomplish it during that day. And I do come from a very big family, so that may be why there was so much planning and so much kind of like, this is a mission, this is what we need to do to, get to the park early, we need to get to the Disney World early because we're gonna have to stand in line. It was just like, really like, these are all the things we need to do. My husband, on the other hand, is a only child. He's the only child in his family. So his travel experiences were a little bit more relaxed when he did travel. And he's used to just having a very kind of relaxed, go with the flow type of experience. Wake up at 11:30, 12 o'clock, go get some breakfast and just kind of lounge around and just figure out, what am I going to do for today? So when we first started traveling, we really bumped heads on this because I felt like this is a waste of our money. If we're gonna just lay around the hotel all day and we're not going to go out and experience where we're at, we could have just laid in our bed and saved money. And he felt like I was trying to pack way too much stuff in one day, and the vacation ended up almost being stressful. He would say that he would need a vacation from the vacation. So what we did to meet in the middle is when we get there, we do a day or half a day of rest, depending on when we get there or how late we get in, and then we try to do alternate. We'll have a day full of activities and then we'll have a day of rest, and that has really worked for us. So just definitely make sure you keep in mind the pace that your spouse or that the person you travel with likes to kind of have their vacation.